Okay, y'all, it is 8:30 a.m. and my groceries were just delivered by Walmart. I'm so excited. This is something our Walmart in our area just started doing, is delivering. And it is free right now if you use the coupon code FreshCar. That's not sponsored at all. I just found it on the website and thought I would share the love with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So I do my grocery shopping in two parts. I shop at Walmart and then I shop at ALDI. So this is the first haul. And then after this, I'm gonna put this all up, go to the gym, work out, and then go to ALDI, and then I'll show you guys what we got at ALDI when I get back. So the first thing I got were some meats. We got some bacon. We are trying to eat a little healthier, but I feel like bacon is just a staple for breakfast. It has a good fat content. Some people will say it's really unhealthy, but you do what you gotta do. Then I got two big deals of chicken breasts. This one was $10.03. This one was $11.48, and I will just cut these in half and then freeze them individually. And then I found these at Walmart a couple months ago, and I've been loving these. We switched pretty much all our ground meat over to ground chicken. These are usually about $3.48 at Walmart. It doesn't have the price on it, but they're about $3.48, so not bad for ground meat, and this is a leaner, healthier meat. So I got 3 of these, and we have been enjoying these. I then got some chicken wings. My husband wants to make some chicken wings on the smoker either this weekend or next weekend, so I may include that as a video for you guys. And then my husband wanted to make some kind of dish with this, I think breakfast or something. It's just some ground Italian sausage. The next thing is some muscle milk. This is just in chocolate. I like the Vega protein powder, but my husband hates it, so I got him this muscle milk. He always likes muscle milk, so. And then if you have not tried these Think Thin protein cakes, these are so good. These are like a soft cookie that's healthy-ish. There's 12 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, and I wanted 2 chocolates, but they gave me 1 chocolate and 1 birthday cake. The birthday cake is not as good as the chocolate, so if you pick these up, definitely go for the chocolate, but these are really good. The next few things are 17 Chobani Greek yogurts. My daughter loves these, like I've said in the past, so we always get a ton of these, and she's actually already eaten 2 this morning for breakfast, so these never go to waste whatsoever. Then back here, I have 2 bunches of bananas. My plan is to freeze and cut up about half of these for smoothies, and then to have the other for like peanut butter toast and snacks. I then got some Gain laundry pots. These are just really easy and they work great. Then I got some Green Giant rice veggies. I got cauliflower and sweet potato, and then cauliflower. I got both of these for like fried rice, so to throw in with like some sweet potatoes and black beans and some chicken for like a quick, easy lunch. So got these 2. I think these were $3 each. Next thing I got were just some romaine hearts. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken wraps, and I needed these for the wraps. I then got some more of our favorite Dunkin' Donuts Turbo Coffee. This tastes just like Black Rifle coffee, if you're ever wondering. I then got 1 2-pound bag of brown rice for me, and 1 2-pound bag of jasmine rice for my husband. He hates brown rice for some reason. I don't know how he hates brown rice, but he wanted jasmine, so I got him jasmine. And then I only got a couple snacks, but the first thing I got are these Good Thin sweet potato little cracker chips. These aren't too bad. It's 130 calories for 23 pieces and 22 carbs, so not too bad for a quick and easy little snack. And then my husband is a huge fan of Sun Chips. He saw these and he had to have them. They're sweet potato with brown sugar, and they're 100% whole grain. I'm sure they're not healthy, but he really wanted them. And then this is my new favorite bread. This Dave's Pillow bread is so good, especially this white bread done right. It's so good. This bread is really pricey. I think it's like $5, but definitely worth it in my opinion. The next thing is some Skippy peanut butter that my husband wanted, a can of black eyed peas, then have some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce for those buffalo chicken wraps I talked about, and my husband dips everything in ranch, so another bottle of ranch. Then got some Bounty Basic Essentials paper towels because we needed some more. We then got some Halo Top and cookies and cream. This stuff is so good and nice for a sweet treat and when you're needing one. You can eat the whole pint for $320, or you can like be disciplined and eat a serving, which almost never happens for me. And then just another sweet treat, not the best, but when you're needing something sweet, we got these Skinny Cow Not Fudging Around Chocolate Fudge Cones. These are really good, and like I said, just a good sweet treat. These are 170 calories for one, so not too bad. And the last thing back here is just a big case of Dasani water. So that is everything. We mainly just got some meat and a few essentials. This came to $162. for everything. Not too bad given all the meat we got. So we got 3 pounds of ground chicken, 2 big deals of chicken breast, bacon, Italian sausage, and wings. So if you think about that, it's really not that bad. Plus his protein was $20. So this is everything for now, and then in a bit I will be back to show you everything that we got at Aldi. Alright y'all, we are all back from Aldi here. I'm going to start on the cold side and work my way over. We spent at Aldi, let me get my receipt. We spent at Aldi $119.25, not too bad. So we spent $162 at Walmart and $119 at Aldi, and this will last 2 weeks for 3 people. Alright, the first thing that we got at Aldi is this pack of St. Louis style pork spare ribs. This was $9.55. My husband wanted to smoke some ribs for cheat day, so we got that. So we got 1 frozen bag of green beans and 1 frozen bag of broccoli. I love having these as a side dish with dinner all the time. I just throw them in a pan with some olive oil and salt and pepper. It's really, really good. We then got some more paper plates. You see these in my videos all the time because I'm so lazy. We got 2 bags of sweet potatoes, 1 bag of red onions, 1 bag of all-purpose flour because we were out. We then got 1 thing of mixed greens. It includes baby green kale, baby spinach, and baby chard, and then 1 dill of baby spinach and arugula. I love arugula, especially on like pizzas and stuff. So we got 2 of these. And then got a tri-color thing of bell peppers. This one is actually tri-color this time. And then got 1 dill of cilantro, 1 dill of green onions. Like I said in the last video, absolutely love cilantro. 1 dill of colorful baby carrots. 2 cans of black beans. Black beans are a really easy and good way to add protein to a dish, so I love having black beans on deck. I then got some garbanzo beans. If you've ever had chickpeas, it's the same exact thing. I make some really good chickpea cookies with these that I will share with you guys in an upcoming video. So I wanted to pick up 2 cans of these. Then I got 2 cans of pinto beans. My husband doesn't like black beans, so I got him pinto. Some taco shells, and then some cornbread mix. Then we just got some regular iodized salt, some pink salt. This is only $1.19 at Aldi. This is Himalayan pink salt, and it comes with a grinder. And then I got Aldi's version of Mrs. Dash seasonings. I got the original, which I think is like a lemony one, and then a garlic and herb. I thought these would be really good on some baked chicken. We then got a ton of nuts because we wanted something to snack on. So the first one we got is a sweet and spicy Cajun trail mix. Then some honey roasted cashews. And my husband's favorite salt and pepper cashews. We then got 1 bag of chocolate chips, our normal cinnamon roll creamer, some stone ground honey mustard, some turkey deli meat, and my daughter's favorite cheese sticks, 2 packs of those. Then just 1 block of mild cheddar cheese. Then 2 bags of Caesar salad kits. We love just throwing chicken in these and having that for dinner. It's a quick and easy, yummy dinner, so we got 2 of those. I then got 2 bouquets of their $3.99 flowers to put my vase back there. I love their flowers. They're really pretty and really affordable. The next things we got are some chocolate almond milk for my daughter. I talk about this a lot because she loves it so much. We get 4.
That's what I like.
We then got 4 dills of unsweetened original almond milk because we are probably going to be making a lot of protein smoothies lately, so we didn't want to run out. And then I forgot this at Aldi, but we picked it up last minute, and it's just some regular sandwich baggies and some freezer baggies. Okay, I know I look a bit rough, but I did want to share our meal plan with you guys. This is going to include 14 dinners, a couple lunches, snacks, and breakfast ideas. So for dinners, we're going to have healthy and easy enchiladas, baked chicken where we just take some chicken breast, use this seasoning or the other one and throw it in the oven with some green beans, some sweet potatoes. We're gonna have taco calzone. We already had all the stuff for that. We're gonna have just regular tacos, chicken burgers with that ground chicken I got from Walmart, chicken salad using these Caesar salad kits. We're gonna have chicken wings that I got from Walmart. We're then gonna have beans and cornbread using the cornbread mix I got from Aldi. We're going to have some healthy fried rice, maybe using some of that sweet potato or cauliflower rice and some veggies that we have. We're going to have, I wanted to try a couple things from the cookbook of Joanna Gaines that I showed you my favorites. So we're going to have the King Ranch chicken, her sour cream enchiladas, and her baked chicken and white rice. Other than that, we're going to have burrito bowls and buffalo chicken wraps. This is just a rough idea. The first thing I did is go through my cabinets and I tried to make meals from what we had already. That saved me a lot of money this time, so I definitely recommend doing that. Then for breakfast, we're gonna have things like eggs and bacon, sweet potato hash, which is really good. My husband has that recipe. I may share that with you guys. If you want to see it, definitely leave a comment down below. If you do, it's healthy and so good, seriously so good. We'll have things like protein shakes. We'll have some homemade protein pancakes and things like that. Hard-boiled eggs and muffins that I plan to make with some of those bananas. So other than that, for snacks, we're gonna have some protein balls. I've shown how I've done that on a previous meal prep with me. I will link it down below if you guys wanna find out how to make that. Really, really easy, super good, and it's especially good if you're eating like a sweet treat. Those muffins I was talking about, those are great for a snack. Bananas, rice cakes, things like that for snacks. And then for lunches, I'll make things like shredded chicken and vegetables, sweet potato tacos, tortilla pizzas, just really simple things. So yeah, that's everything for this grocery haul. And I wanted to share a bit of our meal plan with you guys so you know what we're using those things for. And that's everything for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here, and leave a comment down below letting me know where your favorite grocery store to shop is. Other than that, I'll see you guys back here very, very soon. Bye!